Okay guys, I got something special on the menu today. This is custom wheel painting. We're going to use liquid paint and paint these chrome wheels. Now, the customer designed the wheel, and I want to show you what the design is going to be. You may be able to follow me because it's got 3 different color tapes on these wheels. But right now, we're doing the painstaking process of taping up these wheels. What we're going to do, we're going to paint inside each one of these pockets a different color, and then we're going to leave chrome. So if you ever want to custom paint your wheels, Houston Wheel Repair is a place to come. Now, this wheel is in the process of being taped. This wheel has been taped. Now, let me explain to you what's going on. There's a purple pinstriping tape underneath this blue tape. Then you have the blue tape, then you have the yellow tape. The reason why we use 3 tapes because we want the lines to look professional and clean. It takes about 4 hours to tape up each wheel, but the finished product is beautiful. Now, when you look at this, everywhere where you see tape is going to remain chrome. Where you don't see tape, it's going to be a different color. So I will show you the finished product on this wheel. I just want to show you what we do here at Houston Wheel Repair. This is what you call extreme meticulous attention to detail. I've seen a lot of wheels that were custom painted. The lines were jagged. It looks as if someone took a marker or a paint pen and tried to do the lines and it just didn't work right. They had to bring them to us. We cleaned it up and made it look better. Of course, it cost them more money. They paid twice. So if you want to have it done and have it done right the first time, bring it to Houston Wheel Repair. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the best. Okay guys, I want to show you the finished product on the custom painted wheels. Now, we are one of the only companies that can paint chrome. We got a special process for painting chrome. So, I'm going to show you what we got. As I was explaining to you, everywhere where you saw the blue, yellow, and purple tape, the chrome remained. Where you didn't see the tape, inside the pockets is what we painted the white to match the color of the car. Now, look at those lines. They are really, really straight. This is what we pride ourselves in. Nice, straight, commercial factory looking lines. It's a beautiful looking wheel. We kept the chrome lip. Look at that line going around for the chrome lip. That's a man-made line. It looks great. So if you want to have your wheels custom painted, I mean truly, let me stand it up. That's a beautiful looking wheel, okay? If you want to have your wheels custom painted, bring it to Houston Wheel Repair. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. I got tongue-tied. mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. These are some Asanti off-road wheels, okay? Some high-dollar wheels. If you really want to be different, stand out from everyone else, bring your wheels to us. We will custom paint your wheels and truly make a custom wheel. 713-942-0294.